The distance formula is for calculating the distance between 2 points. The points can be on a line or a curve or on a circle. That's what we're going to do tomorrow. So I wanted to practice today so that the quote-unquote hard part we take care of today, and then the rest will be the easy part tomorrow. So, distance formula. That comes from the Pythagorean theorem, but we're actually just going to solve for the hypotenuse first. So the distance formula is d equals the square root. Everyone usually forgets the square root, so careful with that. The square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 also squared, where x1 and y1, x2 and y2, those are both points, will be numbers. They will be numbers. So we're gonna practice a couple and then, or actually do one. I'm gonna walk through each step slowly, and then I'll pass out whiteboards and we'll practice it. Or we can practice another one on the notes, we'll see. Then whiteboards, because it's important that we are able to do this, because then tomorrow's will be super, super easy. So, my suggestion is that you use a calculator. We're going to have this problem. Find the distance between 2, negative 3 and 8, negative 9. The first thing is we're going to subtract for inside the parentheses. So subtract numbers. I think it's very important to watch this, and it'll feel like less writing if you do it in this way. So subtract numbers. x2 minus x1. So that part, I'll do x2, 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2, that's 6. It's going to seem like a waste of space, but I'm just trying to show you that it's not super difficult. So that was the first thing. And then y2 minus y1, this is where people mess up. Negative 9 minus negative 3. We have a minus, a negative. Anytime that happens, that's the same thing as plus. So we get negative 9 plus 3, that's negative 6. So that was subtracting the numbers. The second part is to square the numbers. So then I'm going to square them. I get positive 36 and positive 36. So the next step, 3, add. So the plus there, what is this, 72? Last step is to square root. So then I will put the square root on here. This one doesn't go in evenly. So we're just going to leave it as the square root of 72. You could also break it down like the factor tree, but I'm not going to make you do that again right now. The answer here was the square root of 72. I'm not making you break it down. Example 2. Find the distance between 1, 2, and 7, 3.